Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rolling TV stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the mobile TV cart with wheels. Composed of high-quality materials, the rolling TV stand is ideal for flat screen. This comes in a durable design and lets you have optimum viewing. Moreover, this includes a double X base that offers solid support. It has a high weight capacity and supports the VESA pattern. Additionally, this prevents static electricity as it comes with anti-static coating. It also has wide compatibility and supports a massive weight of up to 140 pounds. This can be ideal for televisions with a screen of 32 to 75 inches, and you can use it in different places. Furthermore, this has lockable casters that deliver better performance in transporting it from one place to another. Moving on at number 4, we have the mobile TV cart with wheels. Equipped with an adjustable height tray, the rolling TV stand will let you have a comfortable experience. This is extremely durable as it comes with heavy-duty construction. Additionally, this supports VESA patterns that let you have easy mounting. Moreover, this offers you multiple options, and you can use it according to your advantage. This is safe for using and prevents that your TV does not fall off. You can have a clean look with it as it comes with integrated cable management. It lets you move the television effortlessly from one place to another and allows you to use it in commercial places. Furthermore, this is in a robust design, and you can customize it according to your needs. It is one of the best rolling TV stands for flat screen. At number 3, we have the mobile TV stand with mount. Available from a popular brand, the television stand can fit in both flat and curved television. This has a weight capacity of 100 pounds, and it goes with VESA standards of different sizes. It will let you adjust the height and use it according to your requirements. Moreover, the stand also comes with dual shelves where you can easily place equipment for the better audio-video experience. Furthermore, it has high performance and can safely hold your television screen. With it, you can have easy movement as this comes with 4 caster wheels. Additionally, it is extremely durable and is perfect for media accessories. At number 2, we have the rolling TV stand mount with wheels and shelf. Supporting a solid with a weight capacity of 165 pounds, this one is very strong. The television stand comes with all the installation kit and includes an HDMI cable of 10 feet. Moreover, this is very reliable and allows you to adjust the height when you watch it in landscape viewing. Furthermore, this comes in universal design, and it has a convenient shelf that is perfect for keeping other items like a laptop, a set-top box, or other accessories. This is durable and includes locking casters that can rotate in 360 degrees. It offers you easy mounting options and comes with a cable management system. Additionally, it is strong and is in a lightweight design. And finally at number 1, we have the Yaheetech 32 to 70-inch mobile TV cart universal flat-screen rolling TV stand trolley console stand. The television stand comes in a complete set so that you can have a hassle-free installation. It supports VESA mounting and has wide compatibility. Moreover, this is very durable as it is made of high-quality materials. Furthermore, you can easily adjust the height and watch television with optimum comfort. It has a shelf for DVD with 11-pound capacity, and you can even adjust the screen angle. This is safe for use, and you can use it in multiple places like home, office, schools, hospitals, or other public areas. Additionally, this does not disappoint you when it comes to performance, and the maximum height is 63 inches. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.